All right, you ready? You
Gambling
wanna
was
go?
like literally yesterday, bro.
Crawl space?
That was
One company going today. Grab it
You wanna go to the
like
crawl
this.
space?
Look for the way.
Alright. Behind me.
And this. No, get grab.
Come on, man. Alright, bet.
Okay,
Let's go.
I'm in here. Down the tube.
Oh, you're down.
Oh yeah, I'm.
Alright. Alright, hold on. You ready?
Yo guys, there's people mining here.
I hear him.
Should we kill it? Wait, give me your revolver. I killed it.
Is it dead?
Yes, sir.
Doesn't it wake back up?
No.
What?
I hear it.
I think it's this way.
Oh,
CEO.
Yeah?
Go. Alright. Where's the exit, bro?
oh the mother.
I'm gonna turn them in.
Bro,
Dude, how much health does it have? Okay.
Turn small,
Got
don't
it.
worry, he can turn big back.
Bro, what did you just do? Why are you glowing?
Where's the exit, bruh?
Where did you go?
Right here. Dude, there's no exit. They're blocking it.
Hold on, let me see. It's literally.
Should I kill it again? Wait, I'll kill it. Come on. Let's go.
Oh,
Kill it.
I'm dead. I can't.
Alright, let's go this way, this way.
I saw it. It's dark.
What the heck? Where's the exit? What's this? Oh!
Ew, he's
What the heck? He's out of the thing.
where'd you go?
Dude, how is
the
he
exit.
out? He's outside of the thing.
How did you go?
Oh! Oh my